Your home needs a makeover, and there's no better way than with a fresh coat of paint. But you have to spread drop cloths everywhere and spend all day going back and forth to the paint tray, up and down ladders, and you still end up with spills and splatters. Not anymore, because now there's Paint Racer from JML, the incredible new handheld portable painter that gives you the speed you need to paint anything around your home faster and easier than you've ever seen before. It's like having a roller and paint can right in the palm of your hand. Just pour in the paint and snap on the lid. That's it. The secret is the onboard storage container that securely holds the paint inside. The easy spread roller absorbs and distributes the paint to the outer surface of the pad for smooth, thick, even coverage on any surface. Now there's no more running back and forth to the paint can because it's right there in your hand. Think of all the time you'll save. Paint an entire bedroom wall in just 5 minutes, or an entire living room in just 20 minutes. Paint Racer's super absorbent pad locks in paint to the surface of the pad, so there's never any drips, spills or splatters. Now you can paint ceilings like a pro in no time, with no drop cloths or mess. The harder you press, the thicker the coat, so you save time because you get the job done in one pass. And cleanup is easy. Just give it a rinse and store in a drawer. Now giving your walls a new lease of life has never been easier, thanks to the Paint Racer from JML. Its fast and easy painting system means you can save time, save mess, and save money all at the same time. The built-in container securely holds paint inside the roller. It's like having a roller and a paint can in the palm of your hand. Paint Racer gives you mess-free painting and decorating, and because it's drip-free, there's no need for all those drop cloths and protective covers. The incredible Paint Racer can be yours for the fantastic price of only $29.99. You'll get the Paint Racer with the built-in paint storage container and the thick, durable, long-lasting roller pad. As part of this bonus-packed offer, you'll also receive the Easy Pour Jug for spill-free paint transfer and the Easy Access resting tray. But we're not done. Call now and we'll even throw in the Edge Racer for precise painting around door frames and edges without the hassle of tape or messy brushes. And the Corner Racer, so you can cover both surfaces in corners of walls with ease. All this for the amazing price of only $29.99. For the perfect touch-up, ask your operator or go online to find out how you can take advantage of our decorating bumper offer and get the Paint Racer plus the extension pole for only £5 more. You'll get the Paint Racer, the Edge Racer, the Corner Racer, the Easy Access Placement Tray, the Easy Pour Jug, and the extension pole, all for the super low price of $34.99. If you're not completely satisfied, simply send it back thanks to JML's 30-day money-back guarantee. Speed through your painting and decorating with the Paint Racer from JML.